Hello and welcome to my new Disney series. I have a lot of videos planned, packing, what I bought, vlogs, all that fun stuff for this series. And this is the first video in the series. How many times can I say the word series? And it is a what I bought my toddler for Disney World. So I'm not going to show you every single little thing that I'm packing for him. I will be doing a packing video so I can share, more specifically everything that I am taking for him. But these are just the new items that I have purchased specifically for this trip. So if that is something that you are interested in seeing, then just keep watching. So I'm going to start with the very not fun thing, but it is a pack of swim diapers. Last time we went with Jen whenever he was still in diapers. And I think I just packed a couple of them, but I'm so scared of running out, and I do not want to have to buy these at the resort gift shop because they're gonna be way too expensive. So there's only 10 in here. I'm just gonna take one pack and we will be covered. The next item is some Bluetooth headphones. I found these off of Amazon. They had really good reviews, and they do also fold up. I wonder if there's a picture. There is not, but they kind of, fold in, so they're really easy to travel with. But he can use these for the phone, for the iPad, whatever, and he will be good to go for the airplane. I wasn't really sure if I was going to order this or not, but luckily they have brought back character meet and greets, legit, you can hug them. So I ordered him an autograph book. I got this off of Etsy. I purchased well, it looks a little bit different than this, but it was the same shop that I purchased Jensen's from whenever we took him. And yeah, it's just a plain notebook. So I'm really excited that Holden will also have one because we really weren't sure if he was gonna get to. The next thing is, sorry, it's kind of loud. It's a 3-pack of Poppets. Your mom, So they are just Mickey heads, and I'm probably going to pack one for the airplane, for the diaper bag, the park bag, which is kind of just one. We'll probably just take one backpack in, and then we'll have one extra. So taking those to have him quiet, something to do quietly. I also purchased him a new water bottle. I actually ordered it from Walmart, but it is the Simple Modern brand, and I think it's called Classic Mickey. Super cute, has a straw, and then you just flip up the little sipping part. Yeah, super cute, and I just like to buy a couple of new things for him so that it's not just the same stuff that he has at home. I mean, if you're a mom, you understand. I hope, I think. I did not realize that it was going to come in, what is this? In a 24 pack. So I'm not going to take all of these, but it is this 24 pack of straws, and it has the Sensational 6. So Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Goofy, Daisy, and Pluto. So I think I'm just going to take probably one of each and stick them in the park bag so that if he needs a straw, we can use one of those. And I don't really feel bad if I have to throw them away. Obviously, I will try not to. I am going to pack some Ziploc baggies, so if we can just, throw it in there. You can probably hear Rowan. He just woke up. He's not very happy. But Mickey's in there. He has him. What was I saying? Oh, if we're able to just, stick it in a bag and reuse it, I will. But I also I'm not going to be super sad about it if I have to chunk it too. Now I'm going to turn the camera around and show you the new clothing items that I got him. I did not buy him everything new. Some of it is stuff that Jensen wore to Disney World or stuff that he already had, but of course I have to buy him a couple of new pieces. Okay, so the first couple are just some t-shirts. I do have shorts to go with these. They are just not washed yet, so I haven't got them out. But this shirt is from Kohl's, Buzz to the Rescue. This one is from Old Navy, Good Energy Club, and he's just going to wear this one to Animal Kingdom. And I think he's going to wear this at Hollywood Studios one day. This one I thought was super cute. This is also from Kohl's, and it's just this palm leaf Mickey head, and it has like a blue tie-dye print. I loved this one. Actually, I think Holden picked this one out himself. And then this set is from Kohl's. He picked out these Mickey Mouse shorts. So cute. And then I just had to find a shirt that went with it. I feel like the shirt doesn't go that well with it, but like the colors match, so I think it'll be okay. And then this is one of his bathing suits. He already has another one that we're going to take. It is a Buzz one, but like I said, I'm only going to show you the new stuff that I bought. So it's just this Grogu swimsuit. So cute. And then I love this one. Mickey, this is not Mickey's favorite because he just doesn't understand. He just doesn't understand. This is so cute. It just reminds me of Main Street. So he's definitely going to wear this to Magic Kingdom. And this is from Cecil and Lou. I am not sure if they still have the Disney collection available. If they do, I will link it down below. But I bought this like over a year ago. Yeah, kind of embarrassing. This one is from Kohl's. It's just this Donald, Mickey, Pluto, and Goofy t-shirt. And then some orange shorts to go with it. And then this last one I just found on Amazon. We are going to be there on Memorial Day, so I wanted something patriotic. I really wanted something, you know, Disney, but that's okay. It's fine. So those little shorts and this tank top. So that is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please give it a like and subscribe if you have not already. There are a lot of more Disney videos coming your way. So if you are also a Disney fan, you will definitely want to stick around. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye.